Alright, let's see. Gonna make a cold start of the newest GT. Let's see how it starts up. As you can see, it's cold. Have to start with the work done. Could be a good indication. Let's see. The hood might be bent a little bit. Have to look into that. Alright, got the oil right on the money. Oh, got frozen a little bit, but I have to work on that. What's this? Huh. That ain't good. Oh, I see it's hitting a little. Gonna have to adjust that. Not bad at all. I like that with these magnets. You get that little steam in the cold morning. You can see why I'm doing it now. Totally. I gotta look through my spare parts and try to get a new temperature. Nice to get rid of that dip. Instead, let's probably gonna have to raise that idle up, but shoot, don't work bad. Gonna try to do some bagging with my Murray. The bird seed over there is pretty thick, and since it's cold, I might be able to do that. Yes, oh, see it? Yeah, it rubs just a hair. So, this thing is the weirdest cover too. So many screws. I have to loosen them and try to shim it up. But not bad. Like I said, didn't start it yesterday. So, probably we're gonna wind up taking the body off, and I'll take the gas tank out and replace the fuel line. It's too short. I couldn't put my shut off on it. So I'll put a little extra in that spot so I can run a shut off. Alright guys, well, there's one. Man, for $100 I did it alright. So, good. It was worth it. Shoot, maybe. I always say that, but I can't keep them all, but I do like, part of me thinking of keeping this as the spare to the snowblower. For $100 I couldn't replace the hydro or the engine on that snowblower tractor, so try talking that into Dad. What? You crazy?